Suppose a and c are real numbers, c is greater than to 0 and the function f is defined on the closed interval -1, 1. Let us define the function fx is equals to x square sine mod of x की power minus of c. If x is not equals to 0, then this function defined. If x equals to 0, then the function's value becomes 0. Now, what is the function? This is the function which is very nice function, and this function is always, we know how to this introduce continuity, differentiability, and existence of continuous differentiable functions. This function implies that. Okay, now let us define when the following statements are always true. First is f is continuous if and only if a is greater than to 0. There is no condition on c, there is condition on x की power a. When it is greater than to 0, then the function is continuous, otherwise not, because when the function is when we find out continuity of the function, if a is equals to -1, let us put it a is equals to -1, then it is less than to 0. So this cannot be defined, because 1 over x, this goes to 1 over x sine mod of x की whole power minus c, this is everything. So this, the condition of this is true, that is, this is not defined continuity of the function. So second is f dash 0 exists if and only if a is greater than to 1. If a is greater than to 1, then f dash 0 exists. F dash derivative of f is bounded if and only if a is greater than equals to 1 plus c. If the value of a is greater than, either greater than and equals to 1 plus c, then it is bounded. Now f dash is derivative of f is continuous if and only if a is greater than to 1 plus c. Double derivative of 0 exists if and only if a is greater than to 2 plus c. Double derivative of f is bounded if and only if a is greater than equals to 2 plus 2c. Double derivative of f is continuous if and only if a is greater than to 2 plus 2c. That means that the function, the continuity of the function is defined if a is greater than to 0, and that bounded derivative bounded if and only if a is greater than equals to 1 plus c. If you put any other thing, then this cannot be exist.